Hello, I'm Alvin. Welcome back to Tasty's Making It Big, the show where I make giant versions of some of America's most beloved foods. Today, I'm going to be making a giant Oreo. Why? I love Oreos. Let's get going. Boom. Okay, so this is an Oreo. Do you guys see a problem? Because I do. It's small, and we don't do that here. I'll save you for later. So to start, I'm going to sift dry ingredients into a bowl. This is flour, baking soda, salt, Dutch processed cocoa powder. This is the special dark cocoa powder that gives the Oreo its signature color. Little whisk. Ooh, that looks cool. All right, dry ingredients are set. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar in my trusty little KitchenAid. His name is Todd. Put in a lot of work last season. Whoa, 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 calm down now. Came back from the dead. Here we go. I'm gonna say that's good. Now for eggs. Back on we go. Ooh, it's dark. When I look into it, I can't see anything. It's like looking into a black hole. And we're done. Oh wait, it's not cooked? Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Ooh, looks like something from a volcano. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that, so soft. Oh, this is not shaping just like the circle I wanted it to. Now we're gonna get this onto a tray. The question is, how do we get this onto this? The answer? I don't know. I think it's sticking to the table a little bit. Oh, it's starting to break a little bit. Well, this Oreo is very interesting. Hold on, I got it. Oh, it looks like we're gonna flip it over. Ta-da! And I dropped the dough. Good job, Alvin. We'll be right back. So this is some dough that we re-rolled using the scraps, and I'm going to start cutting shapes because a regular Oreos design is actually very, very, very complex. A lot of triangles, lines, circles. I'm starting with a square. Down you go. Nice. This is very fun. It reminds me of arts and crafts class that I did very poorly at. I'm gonna cut these into triangles. So I'm going to go halfway. Good job, Alvin. Thanks. Now I'm gonna cut some circles. This guy. Oh, how do I get you out? Get out. Oh, ignore the hole in the back. I'm gonna be here for a while. I think I'm just gonna cut out my own name. So we have little letters. I'm gonna start from the back. And, oh God, come on, come out. I should have floured it. All right, Alvin, what are you doing? That's a little ugly. I wanna do that again. We're gonna flour it this time, like smart people. All right, come out. Oh, well, we're gonna give this one more try. Ah, yes, that's an N. Great. How do you get this A out? What? Yeah, that's saying it, Chief. Hey, yo. This is a terrible A. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna hand cut this A. Okay, I might have made the legs a little too long. That's okay. This is Alvin, but the A is bold. While those shapes are chilling in the fridge, we actually have 2 of these dough circles. Culinary helped me make another one, so again, thank you guys. Because an Oreo has that ring on the outside, and I wanna see if I can get that design too. Center, please be center. Now we can cut a ring around. That is a lot stiffer than I thought it was gonna be. Nice. I'm gonna save this for later. So this is a little ring, and this guy goes on this guy. Kind of like making dumplings. You gotta wet the edges a little bit so it sticks. It's an ancient Chinese technique passed down from generation to generation. Oh God, is it gonna break? Oh, don't break. It broke, that's okay. That's just how it goes sometimes. 1, 2, and we go around. That looks pretty cool. All right, now we gotta get this guy back onto the tray. Here we go. Whew. I'm gonna use this ring to shape him up a little better. Looking great, feeling great. Clear hearts, cold minds can't lose. Nope, that's not how it goes at all. All right, the outer ring is done. Let's see if I know how to spell. Oh God, that's not centered, is it? Oh, let's highlight this. Ooh, I like that. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, that looks like a clock. Now let's get these wedges on. Ooh, now that looks cool. All right, I think this is it. I'm just gonna, for safety, put this guy in the freezer and then I'm gonna bake him. I'll see you guys after I take a little nap. Ooh, good Oreo. Time to make the frosting. Apparently, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it. We found a recipe, which is actually made by a BuzzFeed alumni, Scott Loish, and we scaled it up. We scaled it up a lot. 8 sticks of butter, and we're gonna cream it. Wow, it smells so good. Oh my God. And this is clear vanilla extract. I don't know where this comes from, but it smells like rainbow, so we're gonna put it in. This is 8 cups of powdered sugar. Another 8 cups. Oh God, look what you did, Alvin. You messed it up again, you doofus. Oh Jesus, oh jeez, it's spilling again. Come on, Alvin. Oh God, oh Jesus. Get back in there. No, don't come out. It's kind of looking like frosting. Wow, that's stiff. Jesus. Okay, frosting is done. I'm going to get it into this bowl. Oh my God, I made him. It's like a sugar crime scene over here. Shh, don't tell the police. Oh my God. This is your brain on drugs. Nope, I should not say that. This is a family-friendly show. That's for making it big after dark. Woo! Probably wallpaper my house with this. If I had a house, I can't afford a house. The top of the cookie is in the oven. It's gonna bake for a little bit. It's gonna chill. Now we have the bottom, which has been baked off, and we have all this amazing frosting that we made. So I think it'll be fun to use an ice cream scoop. Ooh, that's nice. I like that very much. This is like building a sundae, but it's not ice cream, it's just butter. I feel like each one of these scoops has enough filling to almost like fill a whole sleeve of Oreos. I'm pretty sure this is not how they make Oreos back at the factory. Smush them all together so they become good friends. Look at this, look at this. This is a smooth Oreo. So this is my Oreo that I baked, and the goal is to get it onto here. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to get this, but we will do our best. Just get this on. This is an interesting problem. How do I get you on there? It's not coming off. Oh, there it is. Yeah. All right. Okay, that's on. It's me in an Oreo. I heard that our culinary team, wonderful people in the back, have actually been making more of these. So, you know, as Oreo is proud to say, they are Milk's favorite cookie. So we have a nice giant glass of milk. Look at this. It's like 10 pounds. Holy moly. This giant Oreo is at least 100 times the size of a normal Oreo. I am very happy with this. Let's eat it. This is one thick cookie. Oh, it's like trying to get Excalibur out of the ground. Would you look at that? This is my Oreo sandwich. Whoa, this tastes like an actual Oreo. It has that crumbliness when you dip it in the milk. Oh, that feeling is thick. My heart is beating very fast. Well, if you excuse me, I have a lot of Oreos to eat. Bye-bye. it.